Hello, 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 hello. This is your main train drop. I'm going to tutor computer practice N4 in full, not parts, but in full. Now, this program is brought to you by World Raise Me Organization, and I'm Train Dropper. Well, let us proceed with a definition of a computer. Ladies and gentlemen, my class, sit back and relax. What is a computer? A computer, this is an electronic device that manipulates information or data. It has the ability to process, store, and retrieve data. So, when you look at this definition, what is the meaning of the three words? When you look at the definition, there is electronic device, there is process, there is store and retrieve. There are three words, but me I'm selecting four. If I begin with a computer is an electronic device, it means that the computer uses electricity that manipulates information or data. It has the ability to process, store, and retrieve data. So, process, I'm also going to explain process. Process change data into information. That means when it is in the system unit, it will change information data to information. For example, I have got my keyboard. When I type T, it will be processed, then it will be displayed on the monitor as T. If I type the word classroom, I will type it on the keyboard, or I will input using the keyboard. After inputting using the keyboard, it will be displayed on the screen, on the monitor, on the visual display unit in form of a soft copy output. That means I will see the word as it is being typed and then displayed on the screen. Ladies and gentlemen, let's proceed with store. A computer stores the electronic information in different storage devices. The storage device here we have is the hard drive. We can add on an external drive, which is a USB or a flash disk, a floppy disk, a CD-ROM. Let us proceed with retrieving data from different storage devices. What does it mean? Retrieve is to open the information that is on the hard drive, or the information that you are told to open. For example, Mr. J, please can you bring me your flash disk? I want to open file Z. Immediately, who will bring the flash disk? Then you will right click and select open option, or what you do, you double click using a left mouse button. Ladies and gentlemen, let us proceed to the uses of a computer. The uses of a computers, there are many. We have one, education. When you're teaching, we educate using computers. Health and medicine in hospitals. Science, that is when we are dealing with a lot of stuff like on planets, like a lot of we use computers. Business, that is e-commerce, when running business in banks. Recreation centers. Entertainment, when you're playing your great music and great memories. Entertainment you can play using computer. You can, as right now I'm doing right now, I am using a computer. Government, it can be political, it can be social, it can be in offices, government offices. Sports, when you're watching football, basketball, because I love playing basketball. Yeah, I like playing basketball, so it can be used a computer. Travel, when you're traveling, you can use a computer, you can use a map when you are traveling. Ladies and gentlemen, let us proceed with advantages. What are the advantages of a computer? Number one, it saves time and effort and reduces the overall cost to complete a particular task. For example, you are given documents to print. You're given 500 documents to print. You just command the computer to print. It will print all those documents when you are taking a cup of tea, like what I'm doing right now. Then people. Advantages are people. People use computers to perform different tasks quickly and easily. Computers makes communication quick and easy. For example, you can put an IP phone, then you communicate, it's easy. Computers help save lives in the health field. When you command a computer, you install a program to command a computer so that it can perform a different task. It will perform. As you tell it, that's what it will do. Let us look at the disadvantages of a computer. The use of a computer has contributed to social problem in the following ways. Unemployment, wasting of time and energy. People play games and chat for a long period of time without any positive result. Mr. B is moving with the phone. Mr. B is using his laptop to chat on any social media. Unemployment, different tasks are performed quickly and efficiently by using the computers. It reduces the need of people and increases unemployment in society. For example, people, when you talk about time wasting and unemployment, they match. Some people, when they are in offices, they are always on Facebook, they are always on social media, they take time. A client enters into the office, you remain on your phone, absent-minded. Let's go to data security. The data stored on a computer can be accessed by unauthorized persons through networks. It has also created serious problems for the data security. Data security, this one has to come in your exams. Computer practice N4, N5 and N6, data security has to come in your exams. It is a must. Cyber security, you have to read about it. Privacy violation. The computers are used to store personal data of the people. The privacy of a person can be violated. You save your document, which has got your confidential records, and remember, you have not protected your document. You haven't given it any password. That means anyone who can access, he will read your info, your privacy. Let's go to high risks. Another point is high risks. The improper and prolonged use of computer can result in injuries, disorders, elbow, eye strains, necks, and back pains. That's the results. Impact on environment. The computer manufacturing process and computer waste are polluting the environment. The wasted parts of computer can release dangerous toxic materials. That means don't throw away computers in any place the way you think. Make sure you deposit in the right place. We have classification of computers. Computers can be classified according to this purpose. Always, whenever they set this exam, it is confusing a lot of students. We have multi-purpose computer. I'm talking about classification. One is multi-purpose computer. It has got a different function. It creates documents that was a multi-purpose computer, watch movies and browse the website. That's a multi-purpose computer. We have also special purpose computer. We have two, multi-purpose and special purpose computers. A special purpose computer are designed to perform one particular task, which can be like in aeroplanes. In aeroplanes, we have what we call an autopilot. That one it was designed to perform one purpose. Let's go to another different types of computers. When you're asked different types of computers, we have supercomputers, we have mainframe computers, we have microcomputers, we have desktop computers, and the laptops. These ones move together, though they might have a difference. So let's go to supercomputers. The most powerful computer in terms of performance and data process are the supercomputers. These are specialized and as tasks specified computers used by large organizations. Space exploration, weather forecasting, earthquakes, studies, nuclear weapons, testing, etc. Those are supercomputers. Let's go to mainframe computer. A mainframe computer are not as powerful as supercomputers, but certainly they are quite expensive nonetheless, and many large firms and government organizations uses mainframe to run their business operations. The mainframe computer can be accommodating a large air-conditioned room because of its size. And I always tell my class that mainframe computers, since they're used in banks and hotels, they use mainframe. I gave them an example a comparison that a mainframe computer is compared to a bus. It's compared to a bus. And then the mini computers, they are compared to mini buses. That's the example I always give to my students. A mini computer is a type of a computer that processes most of the feature and capabilities of a large computer, but is smaller in physical size. A microcomputer fills the space between the mainframe and microcomputer and is smaller than the former but larger than the later. Microcomputers are mainly used in small or mid-range servers operating business and scientific applications. Microcomputers, we have a desktop computer. A desktop computer can be used at work. Everyone has a computer at home. That's what I think. If you don't have a computer at home, please WhatsApp me. I can organize you one computer from World Raise Me organization. Let's proceed. Laptop computers. These are more portable than the desktop computers. A desktop computer has got 3 parts or 4 parts. And a laptop computer has got everything in it. Everything, the hard drive is in, the keyboard is on the laptop, everything, the screen, everything is built in. Then also we have a tablet computer. Tablets are more portable than laptops. We have servers. A server is a computer that serves information onto other computers. These computers, called clients, can connect to a server through either a local area network or a wide area network. What's the meaning of what is LAN in full? LAN stands for local area network, and WAN, WAN, stands for wide area network. So, such as the internet, a server is one big machine configured to accommodate different clients on the computer. Okay, desktops and the other desktop, creating a computer to become a server, that means it can manage to run the network. So these other desktops that are getting information from the server, I will call them client machines. Those are client machines. Other types of computers. We have mobile phones. A mobile phone can do a lot of things computers can do, such as browsing the internet, playing games, creating Word documents. After creating a Word document, you can send it via WhatsApp. After sending it via WhatsApp, then someone can print from that document, that document that you have sent. Don't forget that you can also print from your phone. Game console, that is another point. A game console is a specialized kind of computer that is used for playing videos. That is another type of computer, is a game console. TVs allow you to browse the web, check email, and use social media. Those are smart TVs. We are still on activity 1, module 1, and now let me also send you some few questions that you can practice. Activity 1. Name the 4 main types of computers. You can send it on my channel YouTube. That is, when you are commenting, you first put your name, after your name, a surname, then you answer. Name the 4 main types of computers. Number 2, how are computers classified? Number 3, name 2 disadvantages of a computer. Number 4, name 2 advantages of a computer. And number 5, give a definition of a computer. Let's go to hardware. Ladies and gentlemen, this program is brought to you by World Raise Me Organization.